Keep that top band circle a little higher and tighter, Clem.
That's what I thought.
3, 2, 1, go! 80%, 2 minutes, you're on!
They are absolutely left heavy. You can see. They're absolutely left heavy. Yeah, I did. Yeah, he was on one of the hospital teams up until last week when he started first paddling with us. I can't remember which one actually.
St. Joe's?
No, not the good one.
Great arm, Jason!
Jen, try to load your blade a little more. It looks way too loose. No. No, he's not going to paddle next year, so he decided not to do this. Good paddler, but...
Oh, we're okay though.
Yeah.
It's not into it, what's the point?
Yeah.
Lots of guys that are into it.
Yeah. That's the key thing. Being into it is important. That new blonde girl's actually not that bad. The new blonde girl just showed up. I forgot her name.
I know, I was going to say.
Her elbow's in a bad position though, but beyond that, it looks pretty good.
3, 2, 1. Okay, turn around, guys.